Hello, this is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com. I'm doing a special video here. I think this would be an appropriate time. I'm taking a look at QLD and SSO. And we traded this, and we made money on it. Not a lot, but we made money. But to me, the important thing is not that, oh, we made money. No. It's the education. That way, you know the setup too. You own it. And that to me is very, very important. It's not just giving ideas. A lot of people give ideas, but they don't really educate. And if you don't educate, what happens if that person dies? You're no better off. So I want to educate. Not that I plan on kicking off, okay? So anyway, can't get rid of me that easy. So we're looking at SSO and QLD. And I did something. I shifted both charts back to Friday's close. This is Friday's close on SSO. This is Friday's close on QLD. And I spread the charts out to see. You can see it closed near the highs of the day on both days. That was a catalyst for us to buy. And we bought both of them right near the close. And the next day, which is today, I advanced both bars one day. This is today's action. SSO gapped up. See the little open right there? It gapped up, it ran up, and faded a bit. QLD gapped up a little bit more, ran up, and started to fade. We have a policy. We have a strategy. We sell into strength, and we sold into strength in 25% lots. Now, this is the daily chart, but let's take it to the hourly chart and look at this. Here's the hourly chart today. This is today. SSO gaps up, runs up, and starts to fall. QLD gaps up, there's the open right there, runs up, and starts to fall. What do? We sell into strength. Why? Because it's not a super long base. We're not married to it. We're not going to stick with this thing forever because the chart pattern, going back to the daily, this is not a high probability entry. It was a trade. By the way, no day trades here, okay? We're not into that. So here's the daily on both. Take it to the hourly. It gaps up this morning. There's the opening bar today. Runs up, fades. SSO gaps up, runs up. Take it to 30-minute chart. Here's the 30-minute chart on SSO. Here's the open right there. It runs up, gaps up, runs up, and starts to drop. Gaps up, runs up, and we were selling into strength. Go in and look at time and sales for yourself. You'll see you were selling into strength today. And then it starts to drop. And we sold more. And we got all the way down from a 100% position to what did we get down to, folks? A 25% position. It went sideways. And I'm going to take it right here. And we said to ourselves, this was our buy right here. See that little close? We bought near the close. Here's our buy on QLD. And we said, hey, if it goes sideways and it starts to drop and approach our price, we are going to sell it. We are not going to round trip this. We are not going to take it from a profit to a loss. Here's SSO 30-minute. We sold into strength, starts to drop, and we sell the rest of it for right basically at our cost. No loss. We made money. QLD gaps up, runs up, we sell into strength, starts to drop, and we sell more. We have a 25% position left. It went sideways, and then when it lost these bars here and starts to drop near our price, what did we do? We sold. We took it. We took it, and we took the money. And I'm glad we did on both of them. Here's the daily chart again. Gaps up, there. QLD actually gaps up and closed down below Friday's close. If we still owned this, we'd be down in price. If we still owned this, we'd basically be right at our price. Instead, in both instances, we made money. Now, the issue isn't, oh, we made money. No, the issue is this. This is, to me, what's important. We managed the trade properly. I'll show you again. Here's the daily. We bought right at the close on Friday on both. Here's the 30-minute chart. By the way, look at this bar right here, Friday at the close. That was our igniting bar. That was what we were looking for. Look at this bar here, the volume bar on QLD. That was our igniting bar. We bought right, gaps up, which is what we wanted. We sold some into strength, sold some into strength. We managed accordingly. I know this video is a little longer, but it's just very important. This is a great tactic to make money. You can say, well, really wasn't a huge gain. Yeah, but I could show you examples where this is the start of the move on a daily chart, and it just keeps on going. So we play it for what it is. Anyway, I hope this helps you. This is just explaining it, the nuts and bolts up close, and I thank you for your time.